today what we discuss today is all about consultation. Deep consultation. We now made you to understand that consultation has been in existence from time immemorial. Yes. We told you that you can even go to our Bible. Let's cite some few examples in the Bible, quotations. You can go to Proverbs chapter 16, verse 33. It's mentioned there concerning how the Alpha, that when the lost are cast, that is the Lord, the spirits that will determine the outcome. Now, see, go to Jonah chapter 1, verse 4 to 15. You see how they consulted Alpha to determine who is responsible for what the boat, that challenges they are facing in the boat, the storm. Now, the whole thing fell on Jonah. That is again. Then 2 Samuel chapter 28. Yes, you see mentioned there. 2 Samuel. So, if 1 Samuel chapter 28, if you read there, you will see how Saul, the king Saul, consulted a woman to consult the spirits, and the Samuel, his forefather, came on board to tell him what and what he must do and the cause of his problems. So Alpha has been in existence, and I told you Alpha is always correct. The problem is that the interpreter, the intermediary, the person that is consulting the spirit might be in error in conveying the spirit language to the language of humans. Then that is one. Then two is that if you are going to Alpha, don't have something in mind that Alpha must tell you this. Example, some people have visited me in the past. They already made their mind that what they are passing through is caused by man. Maybe their uncle is after their parents or their father or their family using charms. So when you tell them that, look, what is the cause of the problem is not actually exactly what you have in mind, the person will feel sad. So, and I told you again that there are so many types of Alpha, many methods of Alpha, that prophetic words is Alpha. Then using other many objects, we have Alpha, we have Alpha Ugiri, we have Alpha Ndimri, we have Alpha Oji, we have Alpha Egayo. We have so many of them. The most important thing is that the correctness of the Alpha depends on the interpreter. But the Alpha is as a result of consulting the medium, the spiritual world, to tell you the past, the present, and the future. And he will now tell you that whatever Alpha said is as a stand today, that whether Alpha said good is in the front or badness is in the front, you can still revert it. Because the way you live your life today determines the future. Now, if they say there is goodness in your front, yes, if you fold your hand and you refuse to work hard, believe in me, it can never come to pass. Now, if there is badness in the future and you decide today to live a positive lifestyle to turn it around, I can tell you can reverse it. Are you getting me? So Alpha is just like spiritual lab to tell you your condition standing in the word of the spirit. The same way why Alpha is important is like if you are sick, you go to hospital. The doctor, after diagnosing you, find out that you are diabetic or that you are having ulcer. If you have money to treat, so be it. If you don't have money, by what the lab review, you already know that you pay attention to and avoid those things you're supposed to do in order to aggravate the ulcer or diabetic nature. So you avoid drinks, you avoid sugary something, you avoid this and that. I can tell you, your condition will remain stable or even start going down gradually. But if you did not consult do the diagnosis, as in do the lab, if you do not do the Alpha, you don't know where your problem is coming from. So you can keep on doing all the badness and all the lifestyle, negative lifestyle that will keep on aggravating your condition. So Alpha is necessary in one's life. So because Alpha, even if you don't have money to execute what Alpha tells you, it will tell you where the problem is coming from. If you have committed abominable act that is disturbing you, avoid them. And I can tell you, you start to pray and be showing remorse for what you have done in the wrong in the past. I can tell you, things will keep getting better and better over and over. Let me stop here. If you have questions in today's lecture, please tell people about our administration. If you have questions to this lecture and you want us to do consultation for you, deep consultation, chat me on WhatsApp 0805 7837 672. I repeat 0805 7837 672. See you tomorrow in the time of truth. This is time of truth. Join us tomorrow. Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochitubelu. I can be Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochitubelu. Ogbuefi ga-eji nweta anyị na our social media handles. Kemesian.